Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, in this video we go back to the ludicrous Tonto Dikex and her empty-headed ex-husband Adekunle Churchill, because I feel as though you guys have had a bit of enough of the heavy-duty political stuff. So we take a light break with Tonto Dikex and her empty-headed ex-husband Adekunle Churchill. Now you guys will recall that Tonto Dikex had this big splash in the social media space where she had all these big revelations, all these things that she was doing all over the media space, making all these allegations against her ex-husband. And one of the allegations that she made was that he is a 40-second man. So I reduced him by half then. So she accused him of being a 40-second man. So now this guy has now felt the need to defend his masculinity, and he has now come out in the social media space to clap back. So guys, I bring you this. Don't be deceived. I am a tireless machine, Tonto Dikex's ex-husband says after a follower made mention of 40 seconds. So don't be deceived. I am a tireless machine, Tonto Dikex's ex-husband says after a follower made mention of the infamous 40 seconds. Tonto Dikex's ex-husband, Olakunle, whatever his middle name is, Churchill, has reacted after a follower alluded to him being a 40 seconds man, as his ex-wife alleged. Tonto had claimed during an interview that her ex-husband was suffering from premature ejaculation, which makes him last only 40 seconds during copulation. A lot of people felt it was inappropriate for Tonto to try to shame her ex that way by mentioning such, and they cautioned her. Meanwhile, Churchill ignored the jab, but he was moved to react after a follower commented about it on his photo. 40 seconds make one, the follower wrote, and added a crown and a love emoji. He replied, "Of course not. Don't be deceived. You cannot undermine an ex-military boy. I am a tireless machine during marathon." So this is now his clap back to that person that went on his social media space to poke fun at him off the back of commentaries made about him by his ex-wife, alleging and accusing him of being a 40-second man. So now this is now what we have to do as men now to defend our masculinity, or this is what he has to do as a man to defend his masculinity, because people are now circling around him in society and mocking and jibing at him, calling him 40 seconds man. And really the one thing that a man doesn't want is to have his virility or his masculinity challenged, and this guy has now felt the need to stand up and clap back. He was attempting a dignified silence, but if people are now going onto his photo to poke fun by pointing his face and laugh, then obviously he has to react, and this is the reaction he has now chosen to come up with. So now what says you? Tonto Dikex, Adekunle Churchill, 40 seconds man, and the needs of society, for especially when it comes to masculinity. Conversations for discussion on this video, light-hearted video, of course a break from the usual political diet. So really, but this is something we've been following, so I just decided to update you. So come have a chat with me about this in the comment section. But before you come have that chat with me about this in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button so it goes gray. Click on the bell button, that way you are notified every time I drop a new video. Then come, let's see what we are making of this in the comment section. Masculinity, Tonto Dikex, a man defending his manliness. I'm trying to find the wordings so I don't fall foul. So a man defending his manliness. These are all the things we're talking about. So comment section is where the conversation takes place. So I'll leave you here, meet you there, but here I say peace.